everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to repost someone's story on your Snapchat story. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, swipe left to access the Stories section. Here, you'll see stories from your friends and public figures. Find the story you want to repost. Tap on the story to view it. If the user allows sharing, you'll see a share icon, which looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Tap on that icon. Now a menu will pop up with several options. Select Add to my story. This will repost the story directly to your own Snapchat story for your friends to see. You can also add your own comments or emojis before posting. Just type in your thoughts or tap the emoji icon to express yourself. Once you're happy with your post, tap Send to add it to your story. If you don't have it like me, maybe you can add or you can update your app. And that's it. You've successfully reposted someone's story on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.